Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Johnny Blue Eyes and I'm here to help you grow on TikTok. I make tutorial videos for some of the top TikTok trends. Go check out my profile as it helped many to start and grow on TikTok. Now make sure you stay till the end as I share the results of my experiment on this latest algorithm update, which I believe every creator should be aware of. Now, why the changes? Well, it's not a surprise that over the last few months, millions and millions of people from all sorts of generation has started to join TikTok. Also, a lot of videos made it public, which shouldn't have. And TikTok got a lot of heat for it. Now, before I start listing the items that have changed, what was the experience before this update? I personally joined in February, and over the past few months, I uploaded more than 200 videos. And many within the first hour behaved the same way. The moment I uploaded, I would start gaining 200 to 300 views within the first hours based off approximately 80% of my followers and approximately 20% of net new viewers that were seeing it on their For You page. Now, at the 1 hour mark, boom! An explosion. Every 2 to 3 seconds, I would gain anywhere between 3 to 5 new views, and that would go for approximately half an hour. I would literally make it up to 1,000 views and even sometimes more. If the engagement was great, follows, shares, comments, likes, and the average view time would be anywhere between 70 to 80%, the video, it would gain momentum. TikTok would continue sampling my videos to net new viewers. It would get to the 10,000, it would get through the 100,000. I have a few videos, in fact, that within 24 hours, I had gained 400,000 views. Within a week, some of them made it above a million. So what are the rumored changes? Apparently more videos are under review and there is a delay and explosion of views. Rumor has it that instead of taking an hour, it takes anywhere between 3 to 4 hours before there's this burst of views. Also, the ramp up is not as quick. It's 12 to 24 hours before you really start to gain some momentum. But here's the good news. Apparently, hashtags matter more now. So how are we gonna test this out? It's very difficult to duplicate the success that you had in one video into another. So what I will do is I will use the same recipe that I've used for some of my best videos. I will use my niche, which is tutorials. Also, 18% of my followers are from India. For me, to post at 11 p.m. makes a lot of sense as it's 9 a.m. in the morning in India. Now, as far as for hashtags, I'll use the same hashtags as some of my best videos have used, which is hashtag tutorials, hashtag mini tutorials, hashtag video editing, and so on. Here's what I'm gonna do for you. I will post my video right now, and I will give you my observation at the 1 hour mark, 4 hour, 12 hour, and 24 hour. Now, here's my video. I'm gonna post it right now. It's currently 11:15 p.m. Alright guys, it's been 1 hour, so I'm just gonna check what's going on right now. Here we are. Alright, right here. Oh! Alright, here we are, 613. And let me refresh just for fun. Inbox, back to me. We're not seeing the burst, but we're definitely seeing a constant growth. Within the last hour, I've gained 624 views. Now, in terms of interaction, here's how the video is doing. I have 13 comments, 71 likes, and I haven't checked the shares. We got 1 share. Here we go. 644 views and 1 share. I would say this is a pretty good video right now so far. I haven't seen the 1 hour boost in views yet, like that rapid explosion that I usually see after 1 hour mark. But I would say that I'm probably gonna see it, if it is there still, within the next update, which is in 3 hours. So that means I have to get up at 3 a.m. Oh, all right, it is what it is. I'll see you in a bit. I might not look the same though, just warning you. Yeah, this is the 4 hour update, and I'm sorry, it's very early in the morning. It's currently 4 a.m. and we're gonna take a look at how the video is doing. All right, so this is the before refresh. So you see it's 1382. So let's do the quick refresh. All right, so we're at 1818. One thing I've noticed, there's not necessarily a burst in views, but there's like a consistent increase in number of views. All right, let's take a look at the analytics. So here they are. So we're talking about 239 likes, 28 comments, and 3 share, which is okay. What I would have loved to see is a bit more shares, but it is what it is. All right, I'm gonna turn this off, and we're gonna see each other in about a little bit less than 8 hours. Whew, my mat still works. I gotta go to bed. All right, so it's been over 12 hours since I've submitted the video, and right now, as you can see, I'm offering about 3,084 views. There's definitely a change in the algorithm. Let me go into more details just to show you that the video itself is actually not doing that bad. As you can see on my screen right now, there's 394 likes, which is above 10%, which is pretty good. We got also about 12% of comments, and finally there's about 5 shares, which is okay. It's not the best, but it's okay. So there's definitely a change in the behavior. The value that I'm interested to see after the 24 hours is gonna be the average watch time. This has a lot of impact on the speed at which video goes viral. Now, this is a 1-minute video. The average watch time, I'm suspecting, is anywhere between 25 to 30 seconds, which unfortunately that's a bit low. So I'm really looking forward to this data because I think this is gonna make a difference. See you in another 12 hours. So it's been just 24 hours since I started this experiment, and here we are right now. Here's a look at the latest stat. Over 10% of likes, an average of 1% of comments, and 6 shares. There is one value which I am not seeing right now. It's about the average view time. In fact, we are 10 days later. Yeah, you might have noticed I did change my shirt. There's a different background light. This, in fact, allowed me to gather a lot more data about the video. Let's take a look at them right now. These are the recent analytics about the video. There's 8,490 views, 754 likes, 49 comments, and 13 shares. Now, the most important data that I was waiting for was the average view time. And as suspected, I'm in the 24 seconds. There are additional point of data that are actually interesting. The majority of viewers are actually coming from my follow page or my personal profiles. Only 12% actually made it from the For You pages. 24% are coming from India, as I suspected. These are all very interesting point of data. The video is actually not performing that well. Previously, when I had this type of engagement, I would exceed 10,000 views. Now I can barely break through 8,000 10 days later. Additionally, I posted 10 more videos, and some of them actually did extremely well, but the views are still not there. Here's an example of a video that I posted 2 days ago. Look at the statistics. 6,000 views, 277 comments, and look at the average watch time. The video is 12 seconds, and we have a 10-second average watch time, which is very interesting because despite the average watch time being up there, it's not getting pushed to people outside of my country. As you can see, the majority of people watching are actually from Canada. 23% of the people that are watching this video are from Canada. Now, what are my theories? Recently, I posted a lot less than 3 or 4 times a day, which I think might have contributed to this loss of momentum on my account. Also, I've been promoting my Instagram and YouTube account within the videos, and I'm suspecting that TikTok is demoting people that are advertising their accounts on other platforms. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a part 2 of this video because I'm gonna take the next few weeks to really focus on posting tutorials and 3 to 4 times a day. Now, if you have suggestion or your own theory about what's happening with TikTok, please comment below and subscribe for the latest.